然后我那边中，所以以中收几线咯。我anh thấy là bên nuôi Việt Nam để chơi những special này à buồn buổi trung thật nè buổi chẳng thấy một chẳng thấy buổi kỳ số có buổi tạm làm thăm mà bây giờ dùng bên buổi chẳng nó sẽ đàng nếu chưa tập buôn để pha nếu chưa tròn pha đúng không quản mà nghe sai tỏi tao rụtว่าphải con hòa tao rụt nó phải quản như mèn Skyway phải quản như Portland phải là ta kinh ngô lồng phải sẽ đàng một tí à một tí qua kinh ngô lồng rồi bây giờ quảng haiจะเล่าตะปุงบุญจังถาวตาสุบุญquảng mới sai tỏiว่าบุญจังไทยหมดเลยบุญจังถาวถ้ำบุญต่อยว่าอย่าบุญบุญจะก็บุญจะต้องการห่อนถ้ำเนี่ยการใช้นั่นเนี่ย not just for guys not just for the ladies also for the guys too so บุญจังถาวthat ตามน้ำหรือว่า encounter ว่าบุญกวางต่อยว่า tonight it's really a special night for us to just remember the first time that you encounter your couples, I mean your spouse, and just remember the time, how precious, how many times you exchange emails or over the phone, or just for a lot of people in Asia, for a lot of men, it's the first time they saw their wife or husband in the field somewhere, maybe clipping the rice, you know, ooh yeah, you know. That's going to be my wife, you know, or my husband. Well, let's get our hands together and worship God. เจ้าทินหงบัวมาใส่ต่อยหมดเนาะบัวแหลงจินทินหงเจียนป้อเจนบัวเปล่าเยี่ยมจุนป้าบัวต้องจานเราแต่เนาะบัวดูว่าหนังโรแมนติกอ่ะหนังมาหน่อยแฟเดี๋ยวtiêu dùng về lại con bún nhìn hám hỏi tham phảo à sometime after many years of marriage and living together and sometimes we forget that you know that passion that promise that we gave to each other but today tonight let us commit to ourselves that I continue to love you and increase the love for each other we'll bám tiêu dùng together
Hãy subscribe
三法啊，前面部播真法yếm ham tình mày ha ý cha ye luôn đi SK nếuคุณจะป้าบัวดูว่าหุ่นเหกับบัวดูว่ายิ่งกว้างสุดเข้าแต่ฮะแค่ปัจจัยกว้างเนี่ยว่า today's this world we don't have the commitment for each other anymore every time we encounter difficulties challenge in our marriage we just quit and give up basically this song say I only love you I commit my life to you that's for us have that kind of commitment for each other ham tình mày ha
My xin hãy tha.
Ám thì ngày hôm qua tôi mua cà bà cà hai điều thôi nhé sẽ toàn nhà ao để phimพอเดี๋ยวนั้นนี่ดูว่าชิวเตว่านี่อะไรแต่เดี๋ยวทุกคนก้องเตซูมอะไรปุ๊บปุ๊บซุ่ม
ก็หาไลน์ติวปุ๊บปุ๊บจากเขาจริงจังยี่ปุ่นเก็บเป้าจ้าหรือยี่ปุ่นมีปอนฟินเซ็กเดียวนี่ marriage counseling เลยนี่บัวยี่ปุ่นบัวเป็นอิมห้องนี่เนี่ยมาบัวเจ้าว่าลงเจนให้บัวหอบสุดจังเจนแต่เย็ดเซยินห้ามเมย์แต่ใหญ่เซแรงจริงแต่ฟาร์มเซโทษกวางจุยออกบัวโจตองนะบัวจูwell in English I love you thank you and I'm sorry. So those are the three things that we need to practice. Sometimes it's easy to say I love you or thank you, but then when we're in the wrong, especially for me, it's so hard to say, I'm sorry, I was wrong. So this song talks about that. If I have wronged you, in my actions or in my words, or if my words have not been uplifting, the Bible says that we should have words come out of our mouth that will lift up our spouse, to encourage them, not to tear them down. And so this talks about that, and also that if I have, committed a wrong against my spouse, that, is asking the Lord to show me and help me to be humble, to be able to admit, yes, I'm the one at fault. It's so easy to point the finger at someone else. Bố bố trắng thảo tiền dương quang thảo thô quang duy bún liu bố yếm bố nhé chạy im hoang bố nhớ là bố chém chữ con bố nhé alphabet yên hâm mày bố chém chữ bố bố tan như tụ lôn hoi này gì bố quên con tê vạm bố chuột con bún sẽ con bố châu là hàng bố nhàn phải bố chạy bố hàng nó phải yếm nút dấu xì bố cần hiu miếng nhá right hàng nhẹ mà như tay bố này I know được bố như bún bố bún bố trắng chứ con bố chữ trắng chứ bố như áo vui của yên hâm này liu anh chơi liu này lãnh chính tôn được bố dấu như bún bố tôn được bố thành bố như nhiều này bố học sự lãnh chính cún tham phải dỗ bố lãnh chính liu xét mới bố tòng là bố giờ học sự con thốt quảng chữ bún như bố chữ hộ con thốt chữ thôi đó thốt quảng chữ bún bố tôn bố tòng như tòng.
So I love you, thank you, and forgive me. That's bố bố xuống thảo ạ. dung chính bữa nào anhจะรู้ว่าบุญหรือว่า